car. Now, a little apology, I picked up on a second moving Corvette by announcing the wrong two people who placed in class. So I will now say that in the Callaway cars, it is Jonathan Walker and Richard D. Gundeck with their 1990 Corvette and a 1999.
This was actually a car, a Callaway car, was available at your friendly Chevrolet dealer. Went in and you checked off block B2K, which was the RPO code for the Callaway Corvette, which gave you the twin turbo engine with just 3,000 miles on the odometer. It was used by Bridgestone Tires for its national advertising campaign, and it is finished in this wild combination of fuchsia over silver leather. There are three words you don't use in the same sentence over again. The cost new of this car in 1991 was $167,500. Very, very cool.